Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, I'll introduce you with the most fundamental commands that we frequently use with our tool. In fact, I'm going to teach only for 1.5 minutes totally to get you in touch with our tool. This you can try out and let me know if you're comfortable with it. Let's go ahead with it right away. Once I open the R GUI, you get this R console right away. And the first command that you need to try is get WD. See that when I type it as just get WD, I don't get a reply, but when I use a bracket alongside it, I get a reply that shows the path. This is the path that you are to remember, and this is the path from which we are running all our commands right now. So make sure that you select the appropriate path for all the actions that you are doing. If your file is in one path and if you are trying to run it from another path, it won't work. So to identify and understand which path you are in currently, this is like current working directory in Linux. The present working directory or current working directory is displayed with the command get wd. But again, get working directory or get wd will work only with a bracket. So you can see that out here, and I have got the results out there in the screen. And well, so please understand, every time when you log in, make sure that you check it out if you are in the right path. Now what I'm going to do is, I have got the iris data available with me, and you can see that I'm going to access this data set from the R console. But I need to tell you very clearly where we are in. We are in downloads. I have shown you that right now just before some time. Now I'm going to read that, read CSV, and inside that I need to quote the name of the file, iris underscore data dot CSV, double quote. I'm closing it. Now you can see that I cannot open it because there is no such file or directory. I am from the path documents, but the file that I opened was in downloads. If I see it again, you can understand that it was in downloads, as you can see. So when they are in two different paths, it won't work. So I need to now change the path appropriately. How do I do it? Go to file, and in the file you've got an option for change directory. Now click that, and once downloads is selected, and if I run the command right now, I'm able to access it. That's all. I got the complete file loaded, the iris underscore data.csv completely loaded here for you, and this is the way you need to access. I also have shown you how do we change the directory easily with this approach, and this is very important for you to understand. I hope you are clear with it. In case you have a query on this get WD and changing the directory, let me know. I'll be able to help you. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next session shortly.